We'll start with the Mustard R43 size 10. This is a 3 extra long terrestrial hook. This is a floating Mayfly nymph, a variant of Mark Pettichan's MP41. We'll just take that off, and what we need now is some medium copper wire. Now this is important that when we tie this in, we go back all the way down deep into the hook bend, like so, and then we can go back up again, and oops, that's nearly, we'll go back up here. Don't worry about that, I just need to wind that on, and then we want at least 10 turns of copper wire here. Keep them nice and tight. There we go, I think that will do us. And then we go back round here to the back. We can go back here into copper wire, and we'll tie that off on the rear side of the hook. Just lock that off, and then we can do a couple more turns there. There we are. We need a bunch of coquelicot fibres for the tail. These want to go on top here. Get that wire out of the way. That's easier. I'll just tie these in on top. Make sure that you go into the copper wire tail. We want them to spread out like that, and we can stop that. A cream CDC hackle, large one, pull that through. Make sure again that you go right into the copper wire with that, and we can go forward about that. Put our hackle plier on, twist, unwrap, twist, unwrap, and then once you've got to the fibres you can start collecting them as you twist. Unwrap like that, going forward. This will be the abdomen of the nymph. Keep twisting and wrapping as you go forward. Remember not to twist all at once, otherwise you'll break the hackle. There we are. Wind that back and then tie that off. Remove that and those. And what we want to do is just trim down, make sure you don't cut off the tail, the fibres, to shape the body. All the way around. Take our copper wire and rib the abdomen. couple of wraps here. Take our wire scissors, trim that off. And we need a bunch of darker, longer fibres, CDC fibres. Tie these in. Tie it into the abdomen. These will be the wing case. Trim off those. And another CDC hackle. For the thorax. And we need our hackle plier again. Attach that. Twist. Got to build up the thorax a little bit here. So a long CDC hackle is good. You can use two, doing the same method. Tie that off, twist and wrap again. Get rid of that. Twist that. We want to put all this over and make a turn. Another one. That's a good wing case there, and then we fold everything back. Everything back again. Get one more bit finish. Move your tying thread. Pull everything forward. Trim it off. And that's the floating Mayfly nymph. Great pattern when they're emerging. You use it as a stillborn, and the wire at the back will pull it under slightly, but everything, of course all the CDC will keep it afloat. So as usual, if you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.